This is going to be a quick look at how to insert an image into a post or page. Some basic things that you can do setting wise with the image, and a reminder about using alt tags. We've got this post already started with our headline and a couple of paragraphs. The next thing we're going to do, let's say after the second paragraph, we want to add our image, or our first image at least. We'll click on Add Block, go to Image. If your photos are already uploaded into your WordPress site, they'll be in your media library and you can find them there. Otherwise, you'll need to upload them. I'm going to go to Upload as an example. Bring in a photo that I have that I'm going to work with. Once your photo comes in, you'll see there's going to be a space right here that will let you insert a caption. Sometimes that's actually going to bring in a little bit of information like it did here with me. I don't want this information in my post. This just brings in a little information about the camera. So I'm going to delete that and then type in my post. Once you've got that in, you can highlight it, make it bold, italic, link to something else, some other information. Up top, we can also set our alignment. Right now it's centered. We could align left. We could align the photo right. We can make it full width where it stretches all the way across the post. I'm going to just set it back to wide width. Over on the side, don't forget to include your alt text tag or description. That's where you want to fill in a description of what's in the image. So for those who can't see the image, if it's slow to load, if there's an error, or if someone with a visual impairment is accessing your site with a sight reader, in all of those instances, the alt text tag will indicate what the image is of, so it will make your site more accessible. We'll just put a brief description here. Doesn't need to be really long. Then we're going to look at one more option that's a little more decorative. Those are the basics. One other thing that you can do is go to More Options and choose Group. You'll notice these colors come up. You can choose a background color. I'm going to choose this very subtle, maybe that's a little too subtle. Choose this very subtle color. None of those are really working for me. Let's try a custom color here. Okay. That works a little better. Let's go with that. So once we've got that, we can also look at what else can be added to that group, and basically that's what a group is. Let you add a photo with other elements. So right now we've got the photo, caption, the background. We can still add additional elements, including all of these. So I'm going to add a block quote here, just for a little visual interest in the post, which I think would be pretty neat. So we could put that, and also, of course, play around a bit with the style, although I'm not going to do that just to keep the video short. So we've got our quote there. And again, I probably want to center that and work with the style a little bit more. But that's the idea of grouping. You can kind of combine different elements to get a very unique look on the page.